Want to grow in TikTok faster? I'll be showing you TikTok's growth opportunities tab in today's video. Have you ever noticed that pretty much every TikTok shop item has a discount? Well, there's a reason for that. They're not just actually giving a discount, they've got vouchers that give them discounts to new customers. And I'm gonna be showing you how to access that. What you wanna do is log into TikTok Seller Center. You're gonna go into your growth tab, and then you're going to see a lot of different options to get vouchers, right? So you can see if you, let's see, publish 3 e-commerce videos that last 15 seconds each, earn $30 in vouchers. You can actually click on this, and we're gonna go over what the heck a voucher is, but it shows you step by step how to achieve this. And then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it shows you how to get your voucher, right? So now just to look at what a voucher is, you can see that a voucher helps boost overall sales, increase the average order value with minimum spend, and you're gonna be able to track new customers very quickly, right? So there's a lot of benefits, but I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like. So you can see right here. So a voucher pretty much automatically shows a discount on your TikTok listing. So if we got $30, if we just created, pretty much you just have to create 3 videos for this one, then you get $30 in vouchers, it automatically shows up on your shop. And TikTok takes the hit. So TikTok takes that $30 hit and it shows a discount to all the customers. And that's what you want. You want discounts because people are more likely to buy it. It's gonna show up cheaper than any other website, things like that. So why is TikTok getting a hit? I think they just want you to make sales so that way they can become a profitable platform. So here's an example of one of them right here. It's very small, but it shows 13% off. Another one is in TikTok Shop, right, itself. It shows a percentage off. Another one is if they click on your listing, they can click claim voucher. Another one, again, another coupon or claim off, 50% off on orders over a certain amount, that's for live. So there's a lot of ways to get vouchers. Now there's 3 types of vouchers. There's live vouchers, there's creator exclusive vouchers, and there's new customer vouchers. The main ones you're going to get are the new customer vouchers, right? So if nobody's ever purchased from your shop before, the 30%, pretty much the $30 off is going to show on listings that for customers that have never placed on your item before. Or this is customers will get $6 off on orders over $40 placed within your live streams, videos, showcases. So there's different types of vouchers, right? And this one's creator exclusive. This is discounts for influencers. And this is if you go live, right? So again, these are the 3 main types of vouchers, but it explains exactly what the voucher is. So this one, they only get a discount if they spend at least $40 and they get $6 off, which is pretty decent, right? And then it shows you exactly how to get it. And then once you complete this task, what you're gonna do is gonna go to My Rewards right here, and then you can claim your voucher, right? And then it automatically gets implemented to your listing. So again, we'll look at one more. Post 5 videos lasting at least 15 seconds. So again, we can just go here, we can do this. It shows us how to do it, targeted collaboration. And it says, once you claim your voucher, so once you complete this, you go to My Rewards, claim it, it will automatically display under your shop's products. So it's automatic. So TikTok really does this automatic. It's just gonna help boost sales, get more customers in front of you, because everybody loves a discount, right? And if you did need help with TikTok, you can just go to our website, and there's a link in the description to go to courses, and then you can go to how to sell on TikTok Shop for Amazon sellers. I made a step-by-step. There's a lot more to TikTok Shop than this, but it's a great way just to learn. And that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.